Okay, I'm going to demonstrate an application rule that's associated with this toolbar button, Create New User. I'm logged in as a non-admin user. Clicking on the button presents this form. It's actually a form with a subform. And I can choose to create a regular or a remote user. So let's choose a regular user. User ID, J Doe. Password, John Doe. I could fill in the regular other information, address, telephone, fax, etc. I can add people to an unlimited number of groups. Employee, for example, and faculty. And I can then click on the Create User. And I get feedback immediately to the conference that contains the toolbar button, telling me that the user was created and that the two groups have been added. If I come back here as this same user and try and create another user with the same user ID, for example, this time Jane Doe, and let's down to a group, the student group, and click on Create User. Feedback this time tells me that there was an error, so we have to ignore the rest of the feedback on this batch admin script, but basically the error 1031 means that there's a duplicate user ID. So what I've done is I've created a secure application that is running a script that is stored on the admin desktop, and I don't have to pass the batch admin password, which is a security issue, through an email message. It's all done through the application rule. Tied in with this as well is a second two new script steps that have been added in 9.0 and documented in 9.1, and one of them is the repeat script step that allows me to repeat through fields and do same operations on fields in a duplication group, for example. And the other one is the ability to set variables.
And I'll explain why that's important in the notes.
In order for our toolbar button to work, we have to make sure that we have our scripts created. So you're going to have to create a new user scripts folder inside the FirstClass applications folder. And inside here, that's where you're going to be creating your two scripts that are going to be associated with that application rule.